here's what happened. So I am going to be in my very first artist market, and I'm very excited, and I have a lot to do. So I spent all week preparing. I made a list at the beginning of the week of things that I needed to get done that I hadn't done just because I have an online shop, and kind of prioritize them. So the first thing I did was get business cards. I figured they would take the longest. If anything happened and I had to reorder them, that would be kind of like the number one thing I had to do. Okay, so the business cards just came in. Can't see my address. I'm so nervous. I've never had business cards before. So we're gonna open them up and see. Oh, so cute. So this is the front, this is the back, just in big letters, my name and my website. I think they're cute. I ordered the rest of the supplies from Amazon, so they should be here today, maybe tomorrow. I can't remember when I ordered them. Today or tomorrow. Second, I had to get packaging supplies because most of the stuff I have is just made for shipping essentially. It's not like really pretty or, you know, just packing supplies. So I ordered those on Amazon on Monday right after I did the business cards, and they just arrived yesterday, so we will open those and see them. I just got some cellophane wraps, cardstock, little thank you stickers to put on. I need something to open this. Give me a second. Oh, cute. These are the thank you stickers. So I figured instead of using tape to close the packages, I would use stickers. Okay, I can't open it right now, but I feel like that's... They're so cute. I got paper to wrap up the paintings because I can't put them in cellophane bags. I didn't realize it was going to be this small, but I think this will be fine. I'll just wrap them. I got 2 sizes of cellophane bags because I have 2 sizes of prints that I made. Yes, so these are 9 by 12, and then these are 11 by 17. Okay, so I have that. I have the business cards. Great. And then I had to review my work and see what I wanted to bring with me. I made some new pieces just for the market, then I'll continue selling them afterwards. So that's kind of what I've been working on all week as well. Just getting those ready, getting those printed, seeing how they look, making sure I have enough work to sell. Like, I don't think it's gonna be, you know, crazy busy and I'm gonna sell out. I mean, like, everybody wants that, knock on wood. But just preparing myself in that sense, making sure I have a nice, diverse things that show. I don't know. I'm so nervous to even talk right now. But yeah. Okay, I'm gonna take a break now for lunch, but this is where I'm at so far. And this piece, I actually really love the way it's coming out. It's coming out really nice. This is the final piece here. I had some popcorn as a snack and devoured it. I'm gonna spray it now with a fixative so the charcoal doesn't leak, and we'll be done with this one. This is the spray that I use for. And then lastly, I realized I need a payment system because most of my payments are done online, and because of COVID, I don't think many people are going to be paying with cash. So I set up an account with Square because I have a friend who had a reader. Turns out that reader didn't work. Then I had another friend, she couldn't find hers, so now I am scrambling and it's Friday and I need to find something to swipe cards. So I looked it up and Staples sells like just the little swipey card for like 10 bucks. So I'll probably head there today and get that. Okay. So just before I was about to leave, I thought I would test out the cellophane and just see how the prints looked. And thank God I did, because Amazon sent me the wrong size cellophane, so none of my prints would have fit if I waited until later in the afternoon. So I just really quickly got a return label, sent that out to the post office, ran to Staples, got my reader, thank God, and stopped by the art supply store and got new cellophane packages that are probably better quality and way more expensive. So we're gonna test this out now, make sure it works, fingers crossed. Sorted! Lastly, I need to print and package everything, price everything, and get it all ready for tomorrow. So that's probably gonna be the bulk of my day today, is doing that. If I can, I'd love to get out like 1 or 2 more drawings or get a painting done, and yeah, we'll see how that goes. Okay, so everything is finally packed. My back is in so much pain, but it'll be okay. Everything is packed. I have my business cards. I got the Square terminal from Staples earlier in the day. I also had a little freak out moment because the cellophane packages that I ordered from Amazon were the wrong size. So when I went to Staples, I went to the art supply store and they had them in the right size. I got those. So essentially, everything is done and ready to go for tomorrow. He wants to be in the shot. He can't say hi, he's a cat. Yeah, everything's ready to go. I'm gonna take a break now and just relax and See you tomorrow.